Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a very common error in Microsoft Store, and that is the PC is not connected to the internet error. Now, if you're getting this error in all of your websites, then that means there is actually some issue with your internet connection and you need to check it. But if you're only getting it in Microsoft Store, then you need to follow these steps. So in the desktop, press Windows R from your keyboard, and once the run dialog box appears, you need to type it inetcpl.cpl and click on OK. Once you do that, Internet Properties dialog box will open. So from here, go to Connections. From Connections, go to LAN Settings. In the LAN settings, you need to make sure of two things. First is automatically detect settings is checked on, and the second, the proxy server settings are turned off or it is not checked. Once you're happy with these settings, click on OK and again OK, and then again try to connect to Microsoft Store. That should solve your issue. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.